Hi guys, welcome to Bitcoin Gem channel. I hope you all are doing great. So this is a video where we are going to look at two altcoins which are breaking out right now, and you can see for yourself whether you would like to trade them or not. So I hope you guys have read this disclaimer. I'm not a financial advisor. Please do your own research before taking any investment decisions. So let us directly go to the chart. We're going to look at two different alts. I also invite you, if you are not following me on Twitter, guys, please follow me because it will be very helpful for you. I had tweeted about Alice breakout yesterday, which was at $16.9, $16.19, and currently it is at around $18.65. It is already breaking out. So follow me on Twitter, also on Telegram. It will be very helpful to you. You can find the link of Twitter and Telegram in the description. So the first altcoin that we are looking at today is TLM, that is Alien Worlds, and purely looking at the chart. We look at the BTC chart also and the USDT chart also. This is a daily timeline. I had drawn this downtrending resistance before. I had shared this on Twitter. It had broken out and was going sideways. But for me, the important price point to flip into support was this at around 0.024, which you can see it is clearly flipped into support and holding very well. So, in my opinion, it's just a matter of time before we see a amazing impulse move on the upside. And I think it can definitely go and retest its previous all-time high. Even on the immediate shorter time frame, I see it hitting at least till this range, which is at around 67 to 68, 67 to 68 cents. It's currently at 30 cents. I have been tweeting about this since 20 cents, 22 cents, if I'm not wrong, on my Twitter. So still a very good opportunity if you ask me. And I won't be surprised even if it goes and retests its all-time high at around 94 cents. So check out for yourself. This is looking good to me. Even if you look on the BTC pair, this is where I find it interesting, because in the Bitcoin pair, I see it has broken out of this downtrend. Also for me on the Bitcoin pair, sorry, on the Bitcoin pair, it was very important to flip a certain area into support, which it has now. I'll show you in a minute. I wanted it to flip this area into support, which you can see over here very clearly at around 404 Satoshis, which it has, and it's currently at 518 Satoshis. So I see it breaking out on the Bitcoin pair, and to me, it is very important for altcoins to break in the Bitcoin pair if they have to pump. So even in the Bitcoin pair, I see it going and retesting this zone, which is at 200% from the current price. So if it can pump 200% in the Bitcoin pair, I am certain it will pump at least 3 to 4x in the altcoin, sorry, in the USDT pair. So TLM is looking very good to me, and you should check for yourself. The next alt that is looking good to me is Alice. Again, we are first looking on the Bitcoin pair, and the blue line that you see, it was very important for me to flip it into support, which it has currently. Also, if you see, it's getting a golden cross on the daily where the 21 EMA has crossed the 200 EMA. So a very good sign in my opinion. And on the Bitcoin pair, I see Alice going and hitting at least till 6372 Satoshis. So if we look at the potential, it is currently at least 122% potential in the Bitcoin pair. And even in the USDT pair, it is a clear breakout. I had tweeted this yesterday when it was at $16.19. It's currently at $18.5. I see it at least hitting $34 in this new leg up, 34.34 to 34.50. So again, a good opportunity in my opinion. And looking at the Bitcoin pair, it can definitely go way higher, because in the Bitcoin pair, we see a potential of 122% pump. So over here, I think it can go way higher. It can even go and hit $50. in this new leg up. So these are two altcoins I think are looking very good to me. They have been holding well in this dump also. They did not dip much, and now as and when Bitcoin starts consolidating and then again going up, I see them pumping very well. So look for yourself, do your research, and see if this is helpful to you. I hope you guys like this video. Kindly subscribe to the channel. Take care. Bye bye.